The new iPhone 13 needs a new MagSafe charger. Introducing MagFree 3in1 MagSafe Charger, the world's first versatile 3-in-1 MagSafe charger. It is 15-watt true MagSafe wireless charging for iPhone 13. MagFree 3-in-1 MagSafe Charger can power your AirPods, Apple Watch, iPhone 13, iPad, and any of your USB-C devices all at the same time. Its adjustable height feature gives you the best eye-level face view. No more double chins to any of your online meetings. This is also helpful for home-based class of kids as it promotes better sitting posture and screen view while learning. Rotate it the way you want it and capture that special moment of your life. For the record, it is made of aluminum alloy. Its design offers you minimalistic feel with its cableless and neat charging feature, hanging over time but reliably charging 3 of your devices while you are doing TikTok, office works, cooking tutorials, exercise, or whatever suits your style. MagFree 3-in-1 MagSafe Charger will retail for $149. For a limited time, early backers will save 40% with only $89. Get yours today!